welcome to another video. I'm April, also known as Rustic Fields on Instagram, and today we're going to be decorating my 3-tier shelf here. I got this on Decor Steels, and it's just kind of metal frame and then little wood shelves on it, and then underneath I have a little rolling pin hanging thing that I got from Decor Steels also that I like to kind of hang a few things on. So let's get started. Up here on the top is usually like where I like to begin. So I'm gonna pull up my handy chair here to climb on, and I'm gonna start with a bunch of different stuff I have on the table here. So I'm gonna grab these 2 trees because they're the tallest. They won't fit on the other shelves. So I'm gonna put those right on the top, and I'm gonna put one on each side to create just kind of a balanced look. So they're both about the same height, and it kind of draws the eye upward. Then in the middle, I'm gonna take this super cute sign that I got from Grace Inspired Wood. It says gingerbread on it. It makes me hungry when I read it. And I'm also gonna layer it with this cute little chalkboard sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna put that up there in the back. And then I'll put this one in front of it. And I like the look that that makes with the layers. So it's kind of like a good contrast between those 2 signs. All right, so now I'm gonna go to the next shelf. And this shelf I'm gonna keep kind of simple. I'm gonna do various sizes and colors of kind of the same thing. So I'm gonna put little houses on that shelf. So I'm gonna start with this little wood one. It's kind of my favorite of the little houses, and I'm gonna put that one right in the middle. And this is from Target. It's from the little magnolia line they have at Target. And then, let's see, I'm gonna take these 2. This one is also from Target, from the Hearth and Hand line, magnolia. I'm gonna put that one there. And then this is from Target as well. And this is from the dollar spot, and it was only $3. So that is a really good deal for that one. Put that there. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side, but I'm going to switch it up, and instead of putting the black on the inside and the white on the outside, I'm going to make it a little more interesting and put the white dollar spot one and then that Hearth and Hand magnolia one. So I kind of like the way that that looks with all the different shades and all the different sizes of houses. And let's move on to the bottom shelf. So for the bottom shelf, I'm going to start out with this little wood slab here. I love these because I like the texture that it brings, and I think they're just really cute to set stuff on. So I'm going to put that on the bottom. And then on top of it, I'm going to put this little wreath. Now I have these like scattered all about my house. I love little wreaths like this. I just think they're so cute to either hang on things or just to layer and put things in. So I'm going to put my favorite redone teapot that says Mary on it, and I'm going to put that right in the middle of it. So again, it's kind of like that layering look. We have like the shelf, and then we have the wood with the texture, and then some unnatural type of greenery, and then a little pot in the middle. All right, on the other side, I'm going to take this little Merry Christmas sign that I got from A&B Artistry, and I'm going to put that over here. Now you'll notice most of my stuff is pretty neutral. I kind of stick within like the woods with the white and the black and the natural greenery color. But for Christmas, I like to usually add in a little bit of red too. So I got my red little sign there. And then in the middle, I'm gonna put my little olive bucket here with some greenery in the middle. So I really like the way that that's looking so far, but I have a few more things to add because I want to finish up the bottom part too. So I think I'm going to hang this little breadboard here on the end. That's something I usually like to keep up year round, but I just kind of put things in front of it, layer on top of it to add more interest. So I'm going to take these little bells that I ordered on Amazon. I'm thinking they were like about $17.99 for the 3, but I really like them because they have kind of like that aged gold look to them. They just remind me of Christmas. So I'm going to hang those in front of it, just like that. And then last but not least, I'm gonna take my wreath here. I love this little wreath. I actually got it from my local grocery store at Hy-Vee. Who would have known Hy-Vee has such cute little wreaths, but they do. So I snagged this at the grocery store, and I just thought it was perfect to go right on here. So it kind of draws your eye up to this red here too. So I have a couple little dashes of red in there with all the rest of the colors. So I think it's complete like that. Thanks for watching my video and decorating my shelves with me. Hit subscribe down below. Thank you.